Social justice is a broad term describing the pursuit of a society where everyone has equal rights, opportunities, and access to resources. At its core, the concept focuses on equity, which means providing people with the specific support they need to reach an equal outcome. The goal isn't necessarily that everyone has the exact same thing, but rather that systemic barriers don't prevent people from succeeding based on identity. These components work together to ensure that factors like race, gender, or background do not dictate one's financial or social potential. It is important to distinguish equality from equity. Equality is treating everyone the same, while equity accounts for different starting points. Social justice advocates look at data like this to identify where systemic gaps prevent fair access to building long-term financial stability. Ultimately, the concept serves as a framework for evaluating whether our public policies and economic systems are serving the entire population. Understanding these concepts helps us participate in more informed discussions about our economy. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.